Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce something new. It's Sun Chockes or Jerusalem choks. It looks very awkward. It looks similar to ginger. It's not from the ginger family though. It's tubers that is very high in iron actually. It's 42.5% in every 100 grams of those tubers. I'm going to make soup out of them. So we will peel them. I have peeled a couple of them. We will cut them, so when you cut, it's easier to clean the inner edges of those Sun Chockes. We'll cut them, and then we will get ahead and do the soup. The ingredients for the soup, they're onion, celery, ginger root, and those tubers. Let's get going. Now we're gonna start our creamy soup with no cream again. This is the Sun Chockes soup. I have chopped 3 to 4 sticks of celery. I have a little bit over half a cup of onion, so it's a medium onion, a teaspoon of salt and a quarter of a teaspoon of pepper that I'm gonna use, 2 tablespoons of freshly ground ginger. We're gonna saute the onion, the celery, and then we'll add the tubulars, water, ginger, and salt, and let it cook. And then we will blend with the blender. Let's start. I will be adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let it heat a little bit. We will add the onions. Start sauteing. I will add the celery. Mix. Just for them to tenderize a little bit. I am not looking to change their color or brown them or anything like that. I will add the ginger. Salt and pepper, and that you can adjust afterwards because with soup, when you add the liquid, the salt gets diluted. So you taste at the end and you adjust salt and pepper according to your taste. At this point, I'm going to add the tubulars, the Sun Chockes, and water for the soup. I have 4 cups here, and I'll add 2 more. Let them cook. Until they are softened, and I'll show you what we will do next. The soup has boiled and the Sun Chockes have cooked and they are tender. Now what we're gonna be doing is blending the whole thing. I waited a little bit until it cooled a little bit, you know, so it's not boiling, and it's much easier to blend. Okay, finished blending. It's looking great. At this point, I will taste it and check for salt, pepper, anything else that I would wish to add. and it's delicious. It is so similar to the taste of artichoke, so if you love artichoke, you're gonna love this soup. It's light, it's nutritious, and it's delicious. Enjoy!